Welcome aboard this beautiful 2006 Cruisers Yachts 370 Express, available now at Little Yacht Sales in Kemah, Texas. The Cruisers Yacht 370 Express is a stylish and versatile cruiser that has earned positive reviews for its blend of performance, comfort, and aesthetics. Cruisers Yachts has a reputation for solid construction and attention to detail. The 370 Express reflects this with durable materials and a well-built structure. The 370 Express boasts a sleek, modern design with clean lines and an attractive profile. It features a spacious cockpit with ample seating, making it ideal for an entertaining guest. Stepping aboard is effortless onto the spacious swim platform, where there is plenty of room for relaxing. Access from the water is simple and safe with a stainless steel swim ladder. In the cockpit, the full beam layout of the 370 allows for the best use of space and provides ample seating. The well-arranged variety of spaces in the cockpit provide easy maneuverability between them. With the included full enclosure, the cockpit is a well-protected and climate-controlled space that will keep you comfortable. The port is a wet bar with adequate counter space and a sink, providing a space to prepare drinks and meals in the cockpit. This 370 is equipped with a powerful JL audio sound system with numerous speakers in the cockpit, deck, and cabin areas. Engine room access is quick and effortless with a push of a switch that operates hydraulic actuators, raising the cockpit deck. The 370 is known for its smooth handling and stable ride. It is equipped with powerful twin 315 horsepower Yanmar engines, providing strong performance and efficient cruising. This boat offers a good balance between speed and fuel efficiency, making it suitable for leisurely cruising and more spirited outings. This vessel is equipped with a generator to provide all the comforts of home while out on the water. The helm is elevated, providing an unobstructed and excellent 360-degree view that is truly appreciated maneuvering while underway and docking. The bolstered seat provides comfort and support. This vessel is equipped with a wide range of electronics at the helm, including autopilot, custom helm wheel, Raymarine Chartplotter, and JL audio controls. There are two options to move forward from the cockpit, either along the side decks with numerous grab rails and handholds, or using the convenient and safe center walkthrough. On the bow, you are greeted with a large sunbed that is safely and easily accessed by the walk-around bow and makes this the perfect place to relax and enjoy the sunset. At the bow is a spotlight and more JL audio speakers. The ground tackle includes a Maxwell windlass, Mantis anchor, and chain rode. Heading below, the 370 Express showcases a well thought out layout with high quality finishes. The cabin is designed for comfort with plush seating, a fully equipped galley, and a bright open feel. A large settee and beautiful table provide an excellent living and dining space. The aft of the cabin has a settee that converts into a berth. There are storage compartments, drawers, and hanging lockers throughout the space and the boat. The boat is equipped with a curtain that provides privacy. The very functional galley of the 370 Express is equipped with molded countertops with inset sink and sink covers. There is a built-in microwave, electric stove, and a large refrigerator with freezer. The sizable and very functional head is located to port just off the salon and features a large walk-in shower, and there is plenty of light. The walk-in shower is roomy and well equipped with beautiful fixtures and a plexiglass shower door. Moving forward, we enter the forward stateroom, which can be closed off by a privacy curtain and boasts a large double bed that is easily accessible for maximum convenience. There is storage throughout this space, including hanging lockers. Cruiser Yachts 370 Express is well regarded for its blend of luxury, performance, and functionality, making this an excellent choice. To book your appointment to view this Cruiser's Yacht 370 Express, contact Little Yacht Sales.